Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on a 2011 Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. So here we are looking at the instrument cluster. As you can see, that's the service light, and there's the button we need to press to reset. You can see it's quickly disappeared now, but there's the mileage and there's the service banner. All we have to do is you can get a better look at the actual mileage. It's a bit overdue, I have to admit. So all you have to do is hold this button down here, the one with the 3 circles on it, as I'll show you in the next clip. So put your finger on the 3 circle button, turn on the ignition once you hold it down, like that, and then you'll see a countdown start, and we just have to let this countdown go all the way to the end. So we get to 3, 2, 1, and it'll finish at 0. Then we turn off the ignition. In just a second, we take our finger off. So take our finger off, turn off the ignition, and then turn it back on. You'll see it's been reset to its proper service mileage. So here's the process just again. So you hold your finger down on the 3 circle button, turn on the ignition, and then you'll see the countdown starts. We just let this run down to 0. So as you can see, it's flicking down nicely. Once it gets to 0, we take our finger off the button, and then we just turn off the ignition. So off it goes. We turn the ignition back on, and then we go back up, and you can see it's all been reset. And that's how you reset the service light on a Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback? Let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.